देखें, जब जैज़ के बारे में बात की जाती है तो जैज़ इज़ अ मॉडर्न ब्रांड, इवन दो वी हैव बीन देयर फॉर द पास्ट 30 years, but we are transitioning through a very interesting phase where we're moving away from being a legacy telecom operator to being a dynamic digital service co. So ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चीज़ें, हमारे ब्रांड्स भी बढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे कस्टमर्स की जो नीड्स हैं वो भी इवॉल्व करती गई हैं, और इन सारी चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए वी ऑल्सो हैड टू grow as a company. We had space restrictions in our previous location here in Islamabad, so it was the right time and combination of all these factors that we started looking for a new home for ourselves, and we wanted to get a modern building, something that reflected our style and also our ambitions. So in सारी चीज़ों को combine जब हमने किया तो then we chose the building that we're currently in, and then the next phase was really finding a team that would actually be able to transpire our thoughts and our visions into something which is a reality.
We were pre-qualified amongst the top firms of the country, and we were to compete in a project bid, an auction. We have been working on corporate interiors and institutional projects and residential projects. But for a multinational company, this was a good project and we were quite interested in doing so.
अभी हम सेपरेट 2 बिल्डिंग में बैठे हुए थे प्रीवियसली, तो अब हमने इधर एक वर्क स्पेस बनानी थी तकरीबन कोई 900 प्लस एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए। तो एक्सपेक्टेशन हमारी यही थी कि हम एक ऐसी वर्क स्पेस बनाना चाह रहे थे जिसमें कोलैबोरेटिव स्पेसेस हों, जिधर एम्प्लॉय का इंटरेक्शन बढ़ सके, क्योंकि अभी सेपरेट बिल्डिंग में बैठे हुए थे लोग तो उस तरह प्रॉपर्ली इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे, इसीलिए हमने उनको सिंगल बिल्डिंग में कंसोलिडेट किया।
In this particular project, we had some ideas. Like I said, that there was a cross-functional team, and then there was a design team on the other side, and we just had open dialogues. We gave our project brief to a number of companies. The company that we eventually selected was the one that excited us the most, and I thought their execution would have been closer to our vision.
Brief for the project was very particular because Jazz has certain values. One of the values I give you example is collaboration. You create an open and agile workplace where employees, when they come in, they don't need to put in an effort to be collaborative. So वो project की brief का ही part था कि आपने ऐसी ही space बनानी है जो कि creative तो हो लेकिन वो collaborative हो, ease of access होनी चाहिए. So that part was communicated at Jazz, and if I talk about the SRDW, they understood the brief very well, and I think it is because of that reason the project is such that it is one of a very beautiful workplaces that now we have in Pakistan.
Office, in my opinion, is a place where you spend most of your productive day. Almost all the day hours are spent in the space. So the space has to be very conducive to the way a person should be working throughout the day and interacting with other people and generate new ideas. This workspace, has taken guidelines and cues from this particular requirement.
Considering it was situated in Islamabad, which is a capital city, and the building is located such that it is surrounded by beautiful vistas and you have excellent scenery on all the 4 sides. The first idea that we had in mind was to take inspiration from the setting of the building.
So the site is quite an interesting location because it faces the Margalas, and between the Margalas and the site, there is just the F9 park. So which essentially meant that there was no building structure which was going to come in between the site and the Margalas, which is the best view in Islamabad, as everybody knows. इसका अनइंटरप्टेड सा व्यू है इस जगह, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं बनेगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज पार्क है, F9 पार्क है सामने, दुनिया की शायद दूसरी बड़ी ये सेंचुरी है ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स। तो काफ़ी हम एक्साइट हुए, तो हमें ख्याल आया कि हम कुछ ऐसा इंटीरियर में करें जिसमें हम बाय डिज़ाइन ये एजुकेट कर सकें कि ये कितना वैल्यूबल है जो हमारे सामने है, और कितने हम खुशकिस्मत हैं कि हमारे पास ये है इतना करीब एक शहर से। So one of the major decisions that we took in the very beginning was that we were going to enhance this view and capitalize on this as much as possible.
So one interesting thing about this building was that when we explored it in detail, it seemed like it was designed as an apartment building. It's not a purpose-built building. So our challenge was that we were going to house a huge population of about 1,000 people in this building. So we had limited loads which were provided through each electrical connection. That became a major challenge because this was a technology-heavy building. It had many power requirements which a normal apartment or even an individual office does not have.
I think the challenge was also कि जो हमारे end users हैं, which in this case are all the employees, they get the best views throughout the day. And also the huddle rooms or the meeting rooms or the quiet spaces are zoned such that they don't hinder the views of the people who are sitting on the main workstations, because at the end of the day, obviously the workstations are much more than these meeting rooms and the huddle spaces, right?
So as it is widely accepted now that the healthy body helps a healthy mind, the workspace now requires gym spaces, interactive collaboration spaces, idea generation spaces, some focus areas, some isolation spaces. So I think it's all required and it's all very well connected in this workspace.
So if we look at the floor plans, इसमें हमारे पास 2 divisions हैं. एक हमारे पास focus areas हैं जो कि workstations जिसमें आ जाते हैं, and there are some focus pods as well. इसके अलावा जो collaborative spaces आती हैं, so they are in the form of breakout areas. इसी तरीके से हमारे बीच में कुछ cocoon spaces हैं. They can be used for meetings, informal conversations आपकी हो सकती हैं और आप break भी ले सकते हैं. Places where people can sit together and collaborate. And it doesn't have to be a formal setting. It can just be an informal setting. It doesn't have to be in a closed environment, in a very formal meeting room.
बिल्कुल डायनामिकल एक वॉक फ्लो मिलता है कि हर फ्लोर के ऊपर. सो वो इनकी वजह ही ये थी कि हम एक ओपन प्लान को बेहतर तरीके से अनऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड वे में प्लान कर सकें अपनी इस पूरी बिल्डिंग को.
Post-COVID, I think the biggest challenge was to bring people back to their workspaces. The intent is to make workspaces fun and vibrant so that people start enjoying their work routines.
There was also an interesting, design vocabulary that we found through their design manual. They use this triangle, and we explored the fractals theory for that.
So in some places you will find these as 2-dimensional surfaces, maybe like on the carpet patterns. And then there will be places where you will find them really minute on column claddings. And then we also try to explore the same scale in a 3-dimensional screen kind of a pattern. So with the brand color and the 3-dimensional effect, we kind of, I think, succeeded doing what we had initially intended to.
The place where we're sitting right now, and it's got a very nice thing. और जब ये मैंने देखा था डिज़ाइन के ऊपर, I really liked it. And I was wondering कि क्या हम असल में इस चीज़ को बना भी सकेंगे कि नहीं. लेकिन ये जो एरिया है ये थोड़ा सा restricted भी है. It's open for all employees on special occasions. But this is a place where you can have great conversations. You have great outdoor sitting. Also, you look at the views, and it also allows you for some clear thinking time. So I think this is one of my more favorite places in the building. All of the offices, all of the floors are unique in their way. None of them is really replicated. So there's a design and unique element to every single floor. And in addition to all of these things, we have created spiral stairs between some of the floors to enhance the connectivity between them. So all of the floors have got something to offer. All of them have got really nice views of the Margalas also. But if you ask me for my favorite place, I would like to be over here as much as I can. But of course, I have to be with the rest of the team also, which I enjoy just as well. As a company, we have commitments to zero emissions by 2050. जो भी हम अपना कोई काम करते हैं, उसमें हम देखते हैं कि हमारा environment के ऊपर क्या impact पड़ेगा.
Like at one point in time we were discussing the LEED certification for the project and we did that. लेकिन हमने ये बात की कि हम LEED के किस लेवल पे जा सकते हैं. हम गोल्ड शायद ना अचीव कर सकें, हम ब्रॉन्ज भी नहीं करना चाहते थे, तो might be silver is something we were aiming for.
कभी किसी को लगता है कि सस्टेनेबिलिटी मीन्स कि हमने सोलर लगा देना है या हमने कोई बड़ी 6-7 एनर्जी एफिशिएंट इको पड़ा है. इट्स सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स जो कि एक बिल्डिंग में जा रही होती है, उसकी एडवांस फॉर्म रिचुअल भी है और कम्युनिटी भी है. सस्टेनेबिलिटी का ब्यूटी से बहुत ताल्लुक है. जो चीज़ खूबसूरत होती है, आप ये देखेंगे कि 500,000 साल पुरानी भी चीज़ें ऑक्यूपाइड होती हैं. तो जब आप एक चीज़ प्यारी बनाते हैं और उसमें आप अटेंशन टू डिटेल कंटिन्यू रखते हैं थ्रू आउट अ बिल्डिंग, तो उसका काफ़ी चांस है कि वो ज़्यादा देर वैसी रह जाए.
This was an opportunity for us to, recommit to that stated objectives, but at the same time also showcase this building that this is how it can be done, and hopefully other organizations, other corporations in Pakistan will take a cue from this and emulate this example, and maybe in their next projects they will also go for sustainable architecture and also sustainable construction and decorations.
With this project, which was a fast-paced project and almost everybody in the office was contributing to it, we realized that it was very important for architects to work together. And I think it's a very helpful exercise, and the way our studios are now structured as the architects are all sitting together, I think that makes them grow professionally and also helps the firm grow.
I think सबसे important is कि you have to pay attention to the job that's given to you, and make it fun for yourself also and for the people who will occupy it.
This project has been very special to us. I think that considering that the whole selection process to it and the fact that we were actually stepping out of our comfort zones, the fact that we pushed ourselves and were able to deliver it in the given time, I think that is definitely the most special takeaway from this project.